Greetings. This is Ron, and we're looking at the very first day of Mechanics of Materials. I'm on the wiki and encourage you to go to the wiki here. Let's see, we go to Technical Competencies, Mechanical Competencies, and we see Mechanics of Materials Les and Mechanics of Materials Ron. You are taking the class called Mechanics of Materials Ron. Here, under this page of the wiki, first thing you'll notice is a description of the course. And the second thing you'll notice is that there's a folder below for syllabus, reflections, and class planner. Right here is where the videos will be posted. We come down here to a folder called Ron Syllabi, and we'll see the Mom Class Planner, the Mom Reflections, and the Mom Syllabus. Let's take a look at the Mom Syllabus. So on the Mom Syllabus, this is Mechanics of Materials Syllabus Spring 2016. I've got 3 sections here. The first section is what I can expect from the course. That's you. The second section is what's expected of me. That's you. And the third section is the deliverables and grading. A couple of things. First of all, these are the fundamental concepts we will be covering here in yellow. Axial, bending, shear, and torsional, loading for each, stress for each, deflection for each, and strain for each. You will learn what these concepts are, then we will apply them on a daily basis. I will give you ample opportunity to ask questions and get feedback, and then at the end we'll have an oral exam. Now, Mom is the second in a course, in a sequence of courses after statics. And there are expectations that you bring forward core knowledge from statics. In other words, how to calculate equilibrium in 2D and 3D, how to find centroids, what moment of inertia is, and the parallel axis theorem, drawing shear moment diagrams, and understanding the difference between external and internal forces. If you are not coming forward with this knowledge, talk to me on the first day of class, and we will find some ways for that knowledge to be refreshed. We only have 13 hours together, and we can't spend those 13 hours going back and relearning these important statics concepts. So we'll have to find some other way. But we do use these concepts in green here for doing the concepts up above in yellow. All right, going down a little bit, there are 6 deliverables: oral exam, DLA, notes and problems, reflections, describes, and engagement with learning. The engagement with learning is something that I just base on your entire questioning and answering during class, your attendance in class, and the way that you show passion for what we're learning, partly evidenced by the quality of work that you have in your binder at the end. So it's kind of an overall impression. All right, well, let's move on. Take a look at the Mom Class Planner. And in the Mom Class Planner, we have days 1 through 13, reflections 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 and 9 have a P after them because I'll have you do that reflection after doing a homework problem. And 10 has a T after it. This is, I want you to get together with your DLA group to go over that reflection together, to kind of be talking with one another as you do that reflection. Reflection 12, I want you to do after your oral exam. We'll go look at the reflections here in just a minute. Each day there's a describe problem or a describe sheet, and you can just see the different things here. Some of them from statics, like moment of inertia and shear moment diagrams, and some of them here from MOM, axial stress, axial deflection, beam deflection, and so on. We have some problems, and these problems are in the book. The green textbook, Mechanics of Materials, 7th edition by Hibbler. I have several of these. You're going to want to make sure you have one. Those are book problems. Got a little funky on the layout here, but it's 3-1 is a problem, and 6-19 is a problem, 6-20 is a problem, and 4-4 is a problem. On the first day before we come to class, Ron video before class, I want you to watch this video. And then each day I will tell you what the videos are for the next day. These will be recorded as we go along through the semester. Retention practice, that is something where I want you to be practicing telling these things to yourself. There's an expectation that when you finish this course, that when you finish this degree, you know what these things are. You know what deflection is. You know what a couple is. You know what axial stress is, and so on. And about the only way to meet that expectation is to practice describing things to yourself. And so I kind of prompt you to do that. We will have a DLA, and we'll talk about it in the first day of class. A couple of notes down here. All homework is to be organized in a 3-ring binder, and with a separate tab for each section. So a separate tab for reflections, for describes, for problems, for your DLA, for your notes from class. And then I want you to also take notes during the videos that you watch, and I would like those notes to be in a separate section of the binder. So I want to be able to page through a section in your binder that has the notes from these videos. All right, moving on. Oops, let's see here. Mom reflection questions. Mom reflection question 1, Mom reflection question 2, Mom reflection question 3, ... Pretty self-explanatory. All right, well, as you wrap up this video, if you have any questions, as with all videos, write them down, bring them to class, and on our first day of class, we'll talk about them. Thank you.